This is Just in Case with American Newscape, joining our friend at Book Wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you so much. It's always nice to talk with you.
Well, we're excited about this interview. So that being said, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, we have a great presentation coming up this Thursday that is being put on by the Yuma Proving Ground Museum Curator, Bill Heidner, and it's called the U.S. Army Camel Corps. And it is about a 19th century experiment to use camels as pack animals here in the desert Southwest. And this presentation always makes me smile to talk about because the very first time we hosted it, we actually had a camel. Somebody brought a camel to the main library, and we had it in a little pen outside the main entrance to help promote the program. Well, the pen was just a series of fences, and the camel just sort of moved, shifted, and got the fence to move over and proceeded to eat the bougainvillea outside the main library door. So every time I get to talk about this presentation, I always think about that incident. And it makes me laugh. So this presentation has a special place in my heart, but it will be taking place at our Foothills library in the morning and then the main library in the afternoon. So you'll have two chances to hear about this experiment with camels.
And they shouldn't need to bring camel food this time around.
Right, yeah.
Okay, Sarah, what else?
Well, coming up this Saturday, we have a NASA at My Library themed program. This is a grant program that we were fortunate enough to be part of later last year, because now it's 2022. We had several programs, including one about the new Webb telescope that was launched. But this Saturday, we're going to be talking about the sun, and we'll actually have a solar telescope set up on our patio from about noon to 1. And then from 1 to 2, we'll have a presentation in our meeting rooms that will show footage that's been taken, including some amazing footage of the surface of the sun. So if you are an astronomy enthusiast or you've never looked through a solar telescope, I really encourage you to come and check it out. It is amazing.
Well, yeah, it'll be 2 hours well spent.
Absolutely.
Okay. All righty. What else?
Well, last but not least, if gardening is more your thing than astronomy, we are also hosting the University of Arizona Cooperative Extension. They'll be putting on a program about vegetable gardening here in the desert Southwest. And as you may know, we enjoy such a long growing season, so much more than up north. So you can pretty much grow vegetables all year round. But they'll be talking about soil, irrigation, different topics that you need to know to start your own little vegetable garden here in Yuma.
Yeah, and bring your questions, because growing tomatoes can be a little tricky at times.
That's what I've heard. Tomatoes are those tricky ones. They either work or they don't.
Well, and a master gardener they'll actually divulge the secrets.
All right.
Okay.
Counting on it.
I'm excited about that. And yeah, I prefer gardening to solar systems because you can eat vegetables.
That's true.
Okay. All righty. This has been Just in Case and Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today is the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.